Hi guys, it's me Frank doing another review today. This time I'm doing it on a HDMI cable. I know you're probably thinking, why are you doing it on that? Well listen, do you know there's those HDMI cables that you can buy from like any store or anything for 99 quid, something like that? Like top of the range, amazing, oh it's so good. I've got one on Amazon, so I got $4.99 for a 2 meter 6.6 foot HDMI cable, and look at it. That is, it might seem laggy to you because I'm on my laptop, but trust me, yeah, it's quite laggy for you. Honestly, it's amazing. I'm playing GTA episodes from Liberty City. And it is honestly brilliant. Turn around. I've got the hidden car. Have a bit of fun. What? There we go. So yeah, so you kind of get the picture from that, how good it is. I'm sorry if YouTube's laggy, but it's not my fault, and it is honestly amazing. As I said, I'm doing it off my laptop, so it won't be that good quality, and hopefully for my birthday, like a month's time, I will get a 14 megapixel camera. I'm getting a tripod in 2 days, so I can use my crappy camera, but and it's got full HD recording, so I'll definitely use that for like unboxing videos and tissues, Kleenex style, softly ultra blam. Anyway, yeah, and I'll definitely do games. I've got Saints Row the 3rd, Modern Warfare 3 downstairs, FIFA 10, where's FIFA 12? I'm gonna do a FIFA 12 somewhere, but I don't have time to look for that. And I'll do definitely in detail stuff like this. I'll probably do these videos again, like with these. I'll probably do these videos again, but with in like a month's time. Oh, I just jumped. And I will definitely do my new phone, not this. Oh. Basically, I've got the Nokia 5800 Express Music, and it is not very good, very slow, but it is a music phone, and it plays music, which is good. So yeah, it's been your boy Frank doing another video. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Probably do another video tomorrow. As I said, don't forget to buy the lead off my website. Put a link in the description. You can look at go on my website. You can look at the video written description, and then go on the link and buy it. And then I'll put my Facebook. I've made a Facebook like thing, account, like page, whatever you want to call it, and I'll turn you down, and I'll do that for you. So yeah, thanks for watching. It's been me, Frank. Bye.